Have you been following me? Have you joined me in this savings challenge, which is savings challenge number 5? And I do it on Fridays. If you have, go ahead and get your cash stuffing binder and we're going to count our money. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2024. Let's save more money in 2024 and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know what do you think of this video. Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video? Because there may be someone that could use this content also. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone. And I hope everyone is doing well. Yeah, it's time to pull out that cash stuffing binder and count the money to see how much we've saved so far. We know the goal is to save $6,000 by the end of December 2024. And we've been putting away small amounts of money every time we get some money, and it has been adding up over time. Now, the small amount of money that we're adding to this cash stuffing binder, just right here, is $125 every week, okay? Or $250 every 2 weeks. But the goal is to put $125 in every week, at least 4 times a week, which adds up to $500. Okay, so if we do that every 3 months, that's $1,500. And if we do that 4 times a month, that adds up to $6,000. And I didn't think $125 was a lot of money, but it may be steep for someone. I realize that. So, you know, the thing about it, these savings challenges are created to motivate and encourage someone to start saving if they're not. But, you know, if you can't do that, do the best you can, do whatever you can, long as you're doing something. Drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this video, if you're doing this savings challenge, and if you're not doing this one, which one are you doing, or whatever you're doing. Okay, you don't have to tell me how much you saved. Just, you know, it's good to hear that you all are participating in these savings challenges. I realize the importance of saving money for emergencies, and you'll be glad that you did. Now, this is not per se for emergencies. I have 7 savings challenges, and the 6 of them are really for emergencies. This one is to, you know, just get someone to start saving, because sometimes we need more than emergency fund. We need, you know, money for other things. Okay, so this can help get us in the habit of saving. When we get some money, every time we get some money, put something away. Don't spend it all up. And another thing, when we're saving this money, keep it to ourselves. Don't tell everybody, okay? You don't want people to start thinking, oh, I can get some money from them. You know, I'm not saying don't help nobody, but, you know, just like you're saving, other people need to learn how to do that also. And you can direct them to this channel and tell them, there's this YouTuber by the name of Wanda. She has some savings challenge that could really help you. Okay? Okay. All right. So we're going to go ahead and count this money. This is a binder that I got from Dollar Tree, and I have a video. The title is called How to Make a Cash Stuffing Binder from Dollar Tree. Okay, now you don't have to do this. You can find your creative way. And I'm going to try to leave a link on that video. Someone had asked me to give them the link And in the comments I did. So I'll try to put it in this video in the description. So if you want to click on this link to find out how to make it. So we're halfway through this year. This is June. And by now we should have $3,000 saved, because we saved $1,500 in January, February, March, and $1,500 in April, May, June. So that's $1,500 2 times, which equals $3,000, and that is half of $6,000. So if you've been doing this and following me, you should have the same amount of money. Okay. So these are pencil pockets, what I keep the money in. And let's go ahead and count this money. Okay. So, and today is June 28th, which is Friday. Now, I'm not going to add anything in here today. I usually add 125 every Friday. But on June 22nd, June 21st, last week, I completed this at $3,000. So I won't start adding any more until July 5th. Okay, so June 28th is not getting any money, because the 3,000, and what I usually do at the end of the month, do a reveal of all the savings challenges, which after I finish this one, I'm going to do that. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead. These are the $100 bills. That's what this pocket is for. So let's go ahead and count this. Okay, so let me show you. See, those are the $100 bills. Okay? All right. Let's go ahead and count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, that's $1,500. Okay. And then the next pocket is for the 50s. Let's go ahead and count those. Let me show them to you. See, can you see that? Okay. Okay. 5,100, 5,200, 5,300, 5,400, $450. Okay. All right. And put this back inside this card. Okay, then we're going to go to the 20s, which is a lot of 20s in here. I think I'm taking these to the bank and trade them in for some hundreds, because there's so many 20s in here. Okay, let me show you. Can you see? And I'm using real money. And if anybody's thinking, well, that money is not in a high yield savings account where it's not making any money, this money is a tool for me to use to do these videos to show you all you can save. Okay? If I can save, you can save. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh, no. That ain't right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 800. Okay. All right. Okay. Let me write that down. Okay, so now we're going to the tens. Okay. Let me show you. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. And now let's do the fives. So let me show you. See? And this is from being patient, consistent, and disciplined. Consistently adding and discipline, not touching it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 10, 15. Wait a minute, something's not right. 100. Wait a minute, I think they're supposed to be, wait a minute. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 10, 15, 20. Okay. I thought that was not right. Okay, that's 120. Okay. Now, let's count the ones. Let me show you. Okay, remember I said this is a tool for me to show you all that you can save, I can save. Now, I know you may not be able to do a savings challenge every day, but do something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and add this up. All right. Okay. All righty. So what do we have first? 1,500 plus, okay, that's 1,500 plus 450, 450 plus 20s were 800. See? Plus, that's the total amount. And then the next one was 100. Okay. That's the total amount there. And then we had 120 plus 120. Okay. And then we had 31s plus 30. Okay, so that's how much has been saved so far since January 2024. And if you've been doing this every week or doing $250 every 2 weeks, you will have this same amount. Like I said, that's half of the $6,000. Okay, so like I said, I'm doing these videos to encourage and motivate someone. Drop me a comment and let me know, are you motivated to do this? Does this help? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. Okay, now, when you get your $6,000 saved, it's up to you what you do with it. I don't know if you want to use that for emergency fund or, you know, I don't know. But I'm going to invest this money. That way it can make money. Okay, that's what we want to do. We want to invest in the stock market so we can build wealth also, along with saving for emergencies. We can do it. I've been doing it. You can do it. We need to do, one thing we need to do is get out of credit card debt, live on less than what we make. We need to make sure we have an income, because if we're not making any money, we can't even do this. We need to have an income. And if our income is low, we need to increase it by, getting side hustles, finding ways to make more money. Okay? And you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay? So thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, and clicking the bell. And I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got something out of it. And I hope to see you. And I will see you again in the next video. And happy savings.